In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT for Beginners 2026 Full Guide. Watch see. By the end, you'll know how to set your account up for clear, useful answers, pick the right model for each job, write prompts that actually get what you want, draft longer pieces in a focused workspace, and verify facts with real sources. Start by opening chatgpt.com in a desktop browser or the official app on your phone and sign in securely. Head to your profile area in the lower left corner. Choose Settings, then Personalization. Here, set your workspace baseline to Professional or Direct. This tells the system to keep replies concise and practical, trimming pleasantries and filler. You can switch this at any time, but starting with a firm tone helps you get crisp, on-task responses from the first message. Next, look at the model selector at the top of the chat. Think of it like gear shifting. The instant tier is your rapid-fire assistant for quick definitions, spell checking, everyday emails, or social posts. It's fast and efficient. The thinking tier is your expert mode. Use it for complex reasoning, debugging code, advanced math, or unpacking tricky logic. It takes a few extra seconds, but the deeper analysis is worth it when the stakes are higher. Now let's fix the most common beginner mistake: vague prompts. Instead of a short line that forces guesswork, use a simple 4-part structure with clear line breaks. Hold Shift and Enter to create a new line, then specify a role, give context, define the task, and add constraints or formatting. For example, ask it to act as a travel guide, explain you're planning a 3-day beginner surf trip, request a detailed day-by-day itinerary, and set formatting and style rules. This removes ambiguity and produces focused, high-quality output. When you need long-form writing, move into Canvas. Type /canvas, then state your goal, like opening a writing canvas and drafting a formal executive summary. Your view splits, with the conversation on the left and a clean editor on the right. Edit precisely by highlighting a sentence in the canvas and using the floating comment bubble to request a targeted change. The system rewrites only that selection, so your structure stays intact. To keep your facts accurate, force a web search with the globe icon before sending your prompt. After you get an answer with links or data points, open the Sources panel at the bottom of the response to inspect the original pages and confirm details. A few quick power moves before we wrap up. Shift plus Enter adds clean line breaks for structured prompts. /canvas jumps straight into the split screen editor. The globe icon or /search triggers live web checks. And in Canvas, the version history clock lets you roll back to earlier drafts if a change goes off track. That's it for today. Move beyond short queries, lean on structured prompts, choose the right model, draft in Canvas, and verify with sources to unlock the full power of ChatGPT. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.